Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to the pre-bell session by the team William O'Neill India. Today, December 27th. So yes, if you look at the Nifty's chart, so yesterday was a relatively good day for the market. I think there was some strong rebound and some wild moves here and there. But overall, if you see, what's not interesting yesterday was the volume part. So if you see 100 DMA वापस ले लिया निफ्टी ने, ठीक है, बट कल वॉल्यूम बहुत लो था. But according to our rules, whenever Nifty closes in the positive, ठीक है, so that we consider as the day one of a attempted rally. So ये हमको पहला दिन मिल गया. Now what important is the yesterday's low. जो ये यहाँ पे low बना है वो hold करना चाहिए. If you see that this low is hold for 2 more sessions, that is today as well as on the Wednesday session, if that happens, तो मार्केट जो अभी डाउन ट्रेंड में है वो पूरा एक स्टेटस हम चेंज करेंगे. वो मार्केट डाउन ट्रेंड से जाएगा रैली अटेम्प्ट में, दैट इज आर ए. कि रैली अटेम्प्ट डजंट मींस कि हाँ रैली स्टार्ट हो गया, बट इट्स अ प्रोबेबिलिटी कि हाँ अभी एक पोटेंशियल बॉटम बनाने का ट्राई कर रहा है. सो इट्स एन अटेम्प्ट टू फॉर्म अ पोटेंशियल बॉटम. सो yesterday Nifty made that attempt to form a potential bottom, you can say that, and that is the day one. Now you want day two as well as day three. So let's hope today it's a day two and we quickly get day three. So once we get day three and once we are in a rally attempt, so itna ho jata hai, uske baad we look for a FTD, that is the follow through day. It's 1.5% gain on a volume higher than the previous session. So that becomes important. Now, if we talk about the levels, so clearly over here, the 50 DMA level is very important. So if you see that the 50 DMA is reclaimed today or tomorrow, then the chances of we getting into a rally attempt followed by a follow through day becomes higher. So the important part is to reclaim the 50 DMA level. If you see the chart over here. Okay. On the sectoral front also, yes, I just missed one thing, that if you see yesterday Bank Nifty, there was a strong closing. If you look at the PSU banks, the private banks, the closing was very good. In fact, Bank Nifty has already reclaimed its 50 DMA. But again, yesterday also I discussed, be very careful with this kind of deceiving moves. ऐसे deceiving moves से बहुत ध्यान रखने का. जब भी market downtrend में होता है, whenever the market is in downtrend, you will always see these kind of moves. But that doesn't means that okay, these are correct. See over here also, if you see, if you can check my annotation, when the market fell to 15,600, look at the moves over here. अगर आप यहाँ पे कहीं पे फंस जाते हैं ना, ये वाला मूव सब देखिए, you might have think that भाई ये तो बॉटम बन गया. यहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही था, 200 DMA से रिबाउंड, but the way it fell afterward, that was very sharp. Here also. So जब भी मार्केट डाउन ट्रेंड में जाता है या डाउन ट्रेंड में होता है, these kind of moves are very normal. You can't say that okay, 1%, 2% good move, okay, that's it, done. But yes, if you see some potential bottom formation and then you get a move on a higher volume, that is if you get a follow through day, that's when it's always good. So you need to look for I think rules are very important and you should always try to follow them. Yes, on the lower side now, I just missed to say that it's 100 DMA and the recent low, that becomes very important. So now the focus will be on the 50 DMA as far as the levels are concerned, and the yesterday's low. So these two are very crucial to look for. If you look at no major news, so NTPC has signed a non-binding MOU with Italy-based group. And also the TimeTechno has received a repeat order from ATGL, that is Adani Total Gas Limited, for the supply of CNG cascades. So that's something positive for companies. I think it's a small company, but yes, that's positive for it. if you move ahead, so yesterday, I think there is a vacation mode on, and so US market was closed. And if you look at the Asian market, so they are up a bit, no major big swings, no major gain or no major lose, around 0.5% gain in the key Asian markets. But overall, if you see, abhi vacation time pe volume activity will be low. So these kind of moves are very easy because a lot of players will be out of the market at least for this week due to the Christmas and the New Year's. Now, if you look at the SGX Nifty, it indicates a positive opening, so it's trading around 18,080. And yesterday, if you see, जो future और spot का निफ्टी में दिसंबर वाला प्राइस था वो काफी कम हो गया. आई थिंक 5-10 पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस बचा था. उस हिसाब से देखे तो the Nifty opening is expected above 18,050 level. Yesterday also was something like that, but the opening was very flat, and then market continued to gain. So let's see if we can hold the gain today. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining.